Once you have your data in your spreadsheet, you're going to want to analyze it. And so by doing that, you can put in a chart or a graph that will visually represent your data. So what I have here is I've got data about tornadoes in Kansas. And so I've got the years and how many reported tornadoes there were that year. Those two columns are highlighted because that's what I want to analyze. So if I come up here to Insert, Chart, Google Sheets tries to guess the chart that I want based on my data. Now, what I can do with this is I can move it around. I can make it smaller so it's not covering up some of my data. I can edit the chart, which gives me the chart editor. I can delete it. I can save it as an image to put it into another presentation. I can publish the chart, which means that if I publish it, I'll be given a public link where I can put it on a website or share just that chart with somebody. I can copy it and then put it into a Google Doc. I can move it to its own sheet, and when you do that, a tab here at the bottom gets made, and this is the only thing on that sheet is the chart. And so if some data gets changed here, then the chart changes also. I'm going to insert that again so we can look at it. And then the last one is the alt text, which if this is going on the web, that's text that screen readers use for people who are visually impaired that are using the web. The chart editor, so if I have my chart selected, the chart type, I can change it here. So it gives me a view of what that's going to look like. And there are several different kinds of charts and graphs and those sorts of things that you can use, and even some different ones that you may not find in other spreadsheets, like a waterfall chart or gauge chart, organizational chart. Even you can make in Sheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this one, I think, and then you can go through and just kind of edit what you want. So you can add labels to your x-axis in your series. You can add series. You and customize the chart styles, like the background color. The background color now is white. We can change it if you wanted to, or make it transparent. You can change the font. You can change the titles of the axes and the chart title. You can do all of this different kind of editing to your chart. So that's how you insert charts for your Google spreadsheet.